Hello everyone, welcome to our video. For this video I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a chicken. And first off, we're going to start by creating its structure, a circle. Let's draw a big circle, and then we're gonna give a little circle, give a line for its neck, and then we're going to give another line for its tail. After that, we're going to give another triangle for its beak, give a little dot for its eyes, and give it a jerk, and its head's jerk. And there you almost have a finished chicken. Gonna give it wing by drawing a curve. And after that, so going to make this chicken like it's just sitting on its nest. And to make it more better, you can create a thicker outline for this chicken. I'm sure you guys could make neat lines better than I did in this video, but yeah, make an outline for its head and its shirt so we can get a better view of a better shape of the chicken. So yeah, and after this you can actually make the lines thicker by using a marker or something else, but currently I don't have a marker with me now on this video. So anyway, to make it more interesting, I'm going to make another chick on its front. Make a small circle, another small circle, and then a pointy beak with a curve, and give it 2 dots for its eyes and another triangle on the back. And let's give it its little feet. There you go, you have a chick. And for this one also I'm going to make a thicker outline to make it to emphasize its shape much better. And there you have a chick. You can also use your erasers to erase the unused lines. And let me show you another one. I'm going to make another chick right here. Start with a big circle and give a smaller circle. I'm going to make this one like it's eating on the ground, and give it the eyes, emphasize its beak and its wing, its back, its tail, and there you have another chick is eating on the back of the chicken. And there you have 3 chickens. So guys, I hope this would help you to improve your skills in drawing animals. And I'll draw and I will prepare another animal for the next video. Thank you for watching.